Hello everyone, very good afternoon. Still only few people joined. People joined late. So hello, are you able to hear me? We have Manjista, we have Maharshi, welcome. We have Hamsai, we have well. Let me please. Very good afternoon, guys. We'll start. We'll not wait. Let people join because many people wait for videos. So we'll start. How are you, everyone? Manjista, all good? Hamsai, good. Okay. So, as I said, see, in last week we have started with the integration calculus. We started with what is integration, why is integration, what is the practical usage of integration. We start with some basic function, some standard function, and solve some problem of integration calculus. Now, today we are going to go more deep and really deep and very interesting. We are going to do various type of integration calculus of different functions. As you know, let me start, okay? Let me erase this and let's see this. As I said yesterday or last week, suppose if I say x to power 4 and you want to integrate with respect to x, what would be its integration? Don't worry, that's a basic thing. Don't worry. Anyway, you'll get all videos, everyone who has registered for videos. You'll get all, nothing to worry. So, when you say x to power 4, obviously the integration of x to power n, x to power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So, x to power 5 by 5. Obviously. And plus c. This we already know. Just we done last week this. But instead of x to power 4, if I say bx to power 4, b is a sub constant. If I integrate that, then what happens? Then nothing. B is constant, b takes out. So extra b will come here, right? Nothing else. Everybody agree? It will be just because this is by constant. Similarly, so integration of this would be bx to 5 by 5. Or if I say, listen very carefully now what I'm going to say. If we say integration of, suppose say if I say integration of x to power 5 and suppose say here instead of say a plus b, then what will happen? Integrate with respect to x. Ax5 what will happen then? Same thing. A is constant, x to power 5 is plus b. We are integrating everything with respect to x dx. No, integration of b is not 0. Differential of b is 0. It will become correct. Integration of constant is x. If we are respect to x, if you are doing with y, that is y plus c. But why I'm explaining this is because the big difference between this. So integration of x to x5 is x6 by 6 plus integration of b with respect to x is bx. What is integration of 1? It's x, right? So integration of b will be bx. But instead of that, if I write like this, ax, that is what difference I want to tell you. Ax plus b power 5 dx. There's a big difference. Then what will be integration of this? The difference between top and bottom is very much. This is a into x power 5 plus b. This is x plus b power 5. So that's why we're going to use some kind of substitution. You assume this all as a, for a moment, one variable only. You assume this is my x. So x to power 5 is x to power 6. So you'll write same here x plus b power 6 by 6. That is first thing. And then you also get a. Correct? A into 6. Right or not? Ax plus b, because when you integrate, because standard form, let me write a standard form. If we write ax, okay, let me make everything is black. If I write ax plus b power n dx, what is integration of this? It is nothing but, today we are going to do all of this. So it is nothing but ax plus b one second guys. It is n plus 1 by, first you get, because of this n plus 1, and because of x you get ax constant. That is what I'm trying to tell you. Plus c is okay. That is the integration of ax plus b to the power n. Correct? Everybody agree? Difference between x plus b to the power n and x to the power n plus b is totally different. Because when you substitute x plus b equal to something, say x plus b equal to t. Now why it is happen like this? Because suppose, this is why I will explain you substitution. Suppose x plus b equal to t. Then if you differentiate, what you get? If you differentiate both the side, what will you get? Tell me guys, when you differentiate ax plus b equal to t, what are you going to get on both the side? Ax differentiate a dx equal to, right? So what happens is, instead of this, now my question becomes x plus b means t power n. Dx is dt by a. Correct? I am explaining why it happens like that. Correct? T to power n dt integration is what? Agree? Pi n plus 1. And the a extra outside. So I'll say a outside. Let me write this. Correct? And when you substitute again t equal to this, you get this or not, guys? That is the point. So integration doesn't work in differentiation like ax plus b. So x plus b n to n. No. So that is why we have to use method of substitution. We substitute ax plus b equal to something and we differentiate with respect to it. And that is what we are going to do today. More deep. Really deep. How to? No, this will apply everywhere. E to the power x or e to the power x plus b. Log x or log x 1 by x plus b. Everywhere we are going to use it. We know x to power n differentiation is, integration is x to power x plus b, n plus 1 by n plus 1 into a. Similarly, if I change this to e to power x or 1 by, everywhere I change x with ax plus b. It is not a trigonometry. No, trigonometry is not all. I'll come to that again. What I'm trying to explain you guys, integration of x to power n is, you know, x to power n plus 1 by n plus 1. I want you to create analogy. This you know, right, Yashodhya? You came late today. So, integration of ax plus b integration I'm talking about. Integration of x plus b would be, yes, Maharshi, ax plus b. Let me do one thing. Let me write it this way. Integration of x power n. What is integration of here? X to power n plus 1 by n plus 1, right? First 5 minutes I am going to create an analogy for you. And then you can solve every problem very easily. This is this, correct? Then, similar way, if we write, instead of x, if I write ax plus b, and I put a power n, and you integrate those, the only difference will happen is what? Instead of x, assume ax plus b. So, it become ax plus b, n become n plus 1. In the denominator, n plus 1 is there, so no problem. And because coefficient of x is a, so a will come. That is, I already showed you how using the substitution. So why I am explaining this? Because you are going to use same thing in anything else also. For example, what is integration of e to power x? What is the integration of e to power x? Plus c I am not writing. So it is e to power x only, right? Similarly, integration of e, instead of x, if I write ax plus b in any that form, your function will remain same, only coefficient will change. So it will be same e to power x plus b. But because of we have a coefficient of x is a, so anything you take it. Suppose, what is integration of cos x? I'll just give you one more analogy. Then what is integration of cos x? Sin x, correct? Maharshi, unmute and tell me please what you're trying to say. So, integration of, instead of x, if I see my focus is exactly parameter I am taking. Integration of cos x is sin x. So, integration of cos of x plus will be what? Sin of x plus b first. We are not doing function of function. No, we are not doing like differentiation. I am explaining you using the substitution we did. Sin of x plus b, and because we have a coefficient of x as a by a. Correct? That is what I am trying to say. This you should all know now, because we are going to use this property to do integration. I already showed you ax plus b to power n. That is how it happens. Maharshi Mehta, do you have any question? Understood? Clear, right, everyone? So, if x to power n we know, e to power x we know, sin x we know, cos x we know, 1 by x we know, Sec square x we know, we can know all of them. Then we also know instead of x, the parameter is the form of ax plus b. That is my point. Okay, CC, Manjishta, take a snapshot of this. So tell me now, what will be integration of sine of 5x plus 6? Tell me what will be integration of this? Because I am building you for difficult question. This is very easy one. What will be integration of sine of 5x plus 6? Tell me everybody. Write everybody on chat. It's very easy oral question. What is integration of sine of 5x plus 6? We know integration of sine x is minus cos of x. But coefficient of x is 5x. 5. So, that's it or not? That's it. Similarly, if I ask you a question, what is integration of? Now I am going to build up slowly. What is integration of secant square? Be very careful and tell me the final answer very correctly. What will integration of this? Secant square 7 minus 4x dx. It would be nothing but, right, for this, sec square x is the differentiation of 10x. We talked about it. That's why first your sec square means 10 of same thing. We know that. Now because the coefficient of variable x is what here? Minus 4. That's it. Plus is okay, but that is what it is. Are you clear absolutely? Yes, Surya. Manjishta, Maharshi, Virendra, all you clear? Good. So ready now to do some good question. This is like a basic stuff how to handle ax plus b. So we are going to do same thing for more difficult question. Tell me what will be integration of say sine of 4x by sine of 2x dx. Tell me how will you do it? Now trigonometry comes. Okay, Manjishta. Now trigonometry comes. Sine 4x by sine 2x. So everybody know trigonometric basic formula. Sine of 2x is given by 2 of sine x cos x. What you're going to do is you are going to convert numerator part of sine 4x as 2 of sine 2x cos 2x. Numerator part. Denominator part, don't touch it because we have sine 2x in the numerator. So it will cancel out. Your question becomes this now. So 2 cos of 2x dx. That is your question now. Now tell me what will be integration of this? What is integration of 2 cos 2x? Everybody knows here. First you take this 2 out. Integration of cos 2x is sin 2x. Now, the coefficient of the parameter x is 2. So 2. This 2 and 2. Answer is simple. Sin 2x plus c. No, it is not 2 sin. It is sin 2x plus c is the answer. Tell me, anybody has difference of opinion or all good? Integration of this would be sin 2x plus c. Good. It is sin 2x. Jayasuriya, tell me.
All good, sir. All good, sir. Sorry, my answer is wrong.
No problem. No, nothing to sorry. It's okay. So, you know the method. So, the answer is sin of 2x plus c. Okay, this time you will do it. I will just watch. I'll give you 30 seconds. Fine. Everybody will solve and give me only the answer. Integration of, it's a similar question. So, sin of 4x by cos of 2x. Do it very fast and tell me only the answer. Final answer after solving. Sin of 4x by cos of 2x dx. Tell me guys, it is very easy. Okay, Jayasuriya, minus cos 2x plus c. Others? Same way, write sin 4x as 2 of sin 2x, cos 2x, cos 2x, cos 2x cancel. Final question becomes 2 sin 2x. And integration of that will be minus cos 2x. You are right. That's it. Correct. Shall we move on? Everybody knows this. Minus cos 2x plus c. That will be your final answer. Too easy. But what if I give a question like this? If I say sin 8x means power is 8 minus cos of 8x. Now we are going to go deep and deep and deep by, if I say 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x. It's all about applying the dx. Sin x to power 8 minus cos x to power 8 divided by 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x. So I don't want the answer, I want how will you apply, what method you will apply. I just want the methods, a step. First step, what you will do? You have to use algebra and some trigonometry, correct? This, if you assume this, Because there is a minus, that's why become easy. The trick. Because what is the algebra? A square minus B square means A plus B into A minus B. So if I write this as correct, so I can write this part as A square minus B square. So it will be sin 4x minus cos 4x into sin 4x plus cos 4x. So let me modify here. So it becomes sin 4x . One second. This into tell me, can we do this or not? If we apply A square minus B square equal to A plus B into A minus B, this can be done like this. Now what? What else we can write? Again, there is a minus here. Can we apply same thing again here? I am putting this off because we know this already. Can we apply again A square minus B square here? Again write A plus B into A minus B. This become sin square x minus cos square x, and I'll write one more here, sin square x plus cos square x. We can easily write. What happened, guys? Tell me till now any problem? We done the two steps. Everywhere we use A square minus B square equal to A square plus B square. No, we know this is gone. Sin square x plus cos square x is 1, so no problem at all. Agree? Tell me, is it correct or not? So this is gone. So numerator part, we have simplified a bit. We can do more also, but let's see first. What about denominator part? 1 minus, see, the point is symmetry. Sin square x minus cos square x, we are getting 2 sin square cos square. Something is cooking up here, right? What? Now tell me what you want to do. Can you write something here? This sin square x minus cos square in the numerator is okay. Denominator is 1 minus 2 sin square cos square x. Can we write this 1 as something? Can we write this 1 as sin square x plus cos square x?
Sin square x plus cos square x.
So sin square x plus cos square x minus 2 sin square x cos square. So this one, guys, now let me write this one as sin square x plus cos square x and we get sin square x plus cos square x. Now why I wrote this, Surya? You know that. Why we wrote that? Because this become my a square plus b square minus 2ab, right? A square plus b square minus 2ab.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So it is can I also write sin square x plus cos square x or sin square plus cos square whole square, because ये तो one ही होता है, right? This is one only, right, Surya and everybody? So even if I write like this, any problem? No, right? So it's a 1 hour class, guys. So numerator में क्या हो जाएगा? It will become sin square x agree? Can I write this sin square x plus cos square as what?
Sin square x plus cos square x whole square.
A plus b whole
Minus
square.
A minus
Yes.
B.
ये ऐसे भी हो जाएगा.
Sin square x minus cos square x whole square.
So finally it becomes sin 4x plus cos 4x. If you open this will be sin 4x. Let me. When you open this, becomes sin 4x because a square plus b square cos 4x, correct? Plus 2ab. So 2ab or minus 2ab to cancel हो जाएगा. So we'll get only this in the denominator, right, everybody? Or numerator में we have this. So this and this will cancel. Finally क्या बचेगा हमारे पास? Only this. Sin square x minus co. My integration remains only sin square x cos square x. और sin square x cos square x होता है, मतलब cos square x minus sin square x क्या होता है? Cos 2x, right? It will remain. Become so easy or not? Because we know cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x. हमारा बचा है sin square x minus cos square x. So integrate become now minus of cos 2x. Everybody know how to integrate minus cos 2x. क्या आंसर आएगा फाइनली? माइनस sin 2x और 2x का कोएफिशिएंट 2 है तो 2. So mostly what we used here is we use the algebra, lot of algebra. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Secondly, we used sin square plus cos square equal to 1. And thirdly, we used cos of 2x is cos square x minus sin square. Lot of trigonometry. That's it. Okay. Now I am going to move on little more. How we use lot of substitution, lot of this to get. Tell me anybody any question on this? Any question, anyone? Let's solve next. What? If your question is like this, say x cube GTG, very good. People who are new, GTG means good to go, means you are good. X cube by x plus 2 x plus 2 to the power 4 dx. Tell me how will you solve this? Again, I only want the thoughts. I'll tell you how to solve it. I want you to tell me first. X cube by x plus 2 to the power 4. What we should do here? This is all about substitution we are learning today. What we should substitute where so that. See, the problem is always the denominators.
Substitute instead of x plus 2 any variable.
Right. Or other way of saying, yeah, substitute x plus 2 equal to t. Substitute x plus 2 equal to t. So, x equal to t minus 2, correct? or dx equal to simply dt. The point is not that. Point is why we are doing, because we want to make denominator easy. Numerator can be anything. Either you do this or you write in the top x equal to x plus 2. X plus 2 minus 2, that's it. Whichever way. What I'm going to do, this is both are same method. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to write my numerator as, instead of x, can I write here as x plus 2 minus 2? No, you will know why I'm doing, because our objective is to make it similar so that something happens in the denominator. Instead of x, I'll write x plus 2 minus 2. This will remain same. It's a substitution only, but other way. So we are to substitute, we are using the make numerator in the form of denominator. That is the point. So why we are doing this? Because we will treat this as a 1, this is as a, this is b. What is a minus b cube? A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, something like that. Right, everybody? Everybody know a minus b whole cube? You are right, Jayasurya. So now this become x plus 2 cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b, 3 into a into this. So 6, you are right, Maharshi. 6 a square x plus t square. Because if you write everything in form of x plus 2 with denominator, it will cancel out. A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b, and Maharshi then 3ab square. 3ab square, 3 into a with x plus 2 into 4, 12 x plus 2, right? This is how might become, this become. Numerator become x plus 2 whole cube minus 8 minus 6 of x plus 2 whole square plus 12 x plus 2. Everybody agree? By as it is. Now you will show you the magic why we have done that. It becomes so easy. Now you will split. We done this splitting earlier also. You put everything in the form of, you split the different numerator into. So this become, tell me, x plus 2 cube by x plus 2 power 4. What it becomes? 1 by x plus 2. Which we already know very easy. Minus 8 by x plus to the power 4. Minus 6 x plus to the power 2. Because we already know the integration of ax plus b form, I told you in the starting. Plus 12 by x plus 2 cube. No, you already know how to do x to power n or x plus b to the power n. Right or not? Everybody know integration of ax plus b to the power n. Everything in the form of ax plus b to the power n. Right or not? So tell me now. I'll write it now. What is integration of? Okay, the integral sign is also here. I don't put it, but you can assume. So now tell me, what will integration of first one? 1 over x plus 2. Integration of 1 by x is log x. So this will be no problem here. Correct, log of x plus 2. What is integration of minus 8 over x plus 2 to the power 4? It is like x to the power minus 4 is there, right? So minus 4 plus 1. So minus 3. To become what? Plus 8 over x plus 2 power minus 4 plus 1 to minus 3. So x plus 2 and यहाँ पे 3 भी आएगा, right everybody? Simple है. Next, what is integration of minus 6 to power 6 into x plus 2 to the power minus 2? X plus 2 to power minus 2. तो minus 6 तो ऐसे रहेगा. x plus 2 का पावर क्या हो जाएगा? minus 2 plus 1, so minus 1. तो नीचे आ गया. And because minus है तो ये plus हो जाएगा, right everybody? And lastly, what is integration of 12 into x plus to the power minus 3? बाय क्या होगा ये x प्लस 2 ऊपर माइनस 3 है, x पर 2 पर माइनस 3 प्लस 1 तो माइनस 2, तो ये स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. सॉरी, आई शुड राइट इट हियर. Okay, I'll write with the hand. और minus 2 भी आएगा यहाँ पे, right? That's it. Plus 2. Simplified. So other part is we know x to power. What is the integration of ax plus b to the power n? Main master stroke was this. Agree everybody? Jai Surya. Very easy. See, we have to know what is the integration of ax plus b to the power n. Everything falls in that place by this. No, I'll give another question which you will not solve. You will just tell me the idea. Will not solve it fully, but you will give me the idea. Okay? Any question, anyone on this? Suppose I give you integration of. Suppose if I say x minus 1 by x plus 1 and whole to the power dx. So what are you going to do? The method only. Tell me anybody the method only. Just tell me the method. दोनों को 4 दे दो. 4 दे दो मतलब क्या? दोनों को 4 दे दो या दोनों को x plus 1 बना लो ऊपर. The method would be, if I can make my numerator as x plus 1 फॉर्म में, तो x plus 1 फिर क्या हो जाएगा? -2 हो जाएगा ना, पावर 4 बाय, हाँ दोनों को 4 मतलब पावर, यू आर सेइंग, यू आर राइट, वो तो कर सकते हैं. द मोमेंट वी डन लाइक दिस, कितना इजी हो गया. इसको एक टर्म मानो, इसको एक, इसका a माइनस b का पावर फॉर्म करो, split all the numerator in the form of x plus 1 something, and you get again the quotient in the form of everything in the form of x plus 1 as a powers. That's it. Right everybody? That same thing. X plus 1 minus 2 whole power 4. Usko, now expand this. You get everything in the form of x plus 1 something. That's it. नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में होगा कटते जाएगा या फिर पावर 4 3 2 1 आ जाएगा. हो गया काम. Okay, no, I'm not going to solve it because we already know this. You solve this. Okay. This you can try it. That is the step you'll use. Let's do another one. This time I will solve it. Tell me how will you solve this question. Suppose if I say it's all about how we substitute properly. Suppose if I say x square plus 1 and by Jayasuriya, उसके लिए formula की जरूरत नहीं. We can make it. I'll tell you. I'll write it, Jayasuriya. X square plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. Jayasuriya, I'll write that. So Jayasuriya is saying formula of a minus b to the power 4.
Sir, a square minus b square into a square plus b square. I am right, sir.
A minus b ka power 4. See.
Okay, sir. Okay.
First you make it twice, it will square, then again square. That's it. Okay, solve this question, guys. Then x square plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square dx. How will you integrate? You can use binomial also, but binomial also is the same thing. We extend it to the power n's. Yes. So how will solve this? Now we can solve, but we can also think here. See, नीचे क्या है? X plus 1 whole square. X plus 1 whole square करोगे तो क्या होता है? इसका expand करते हो तो x square plus 1 plus 2x. मतलब कि plus 2x is less, right? So what I'm going to do is, intentionally I am writing here plus 2x minus 2. क्योंकि देखो objective क्या है every question? I am trying to make my numerator in the form of denominator. Denominator क्या है? X plus 1 whole square. X plus 1 whole square क्या होता है? X square plus 2x plus 1. तो मेरे पास plus 2x कम था, तो I added this here. Now you combine these three together. तो क्या बन जाएगा? X square plus 1 plus 2x तो क्या बन जाएगा? X plus 1 whole square. Minus 2x by x plus 1 whole square. Everybody agree on this? See, there are a lot of tricks where to start using. Now you split. तो इसको split करेंगे तो क्या होगा? This by this. तो 1 आ गया. Integration 1 minus. अब इसको अलग लिख लो. 2x. तो हमारा सारा जो हेडेक रहा है इसका रह गया है. So this is more simpler than the original question, right? Integration of 1 we know. Integration of 1 we know is x. The only way to do is integration of 2x by x plus 1 square. Again, either you substitute x plus 1 whole square equal to something, or I'll make it easy again. This x, again write as the form of x plus 1 minus 1. So, our integration is integration of 1 minus 2 into integration of, instead of right, I am writing x plus 1 minus 1. So क्या हो गया finally? Finally it become integration of 1 minus 2 into integration of what dx है. Okay, you always assume dx is there. I'm not writing it, but you always assume dx is there. Minus 2. Now again you split into numerator denominator. X plus 1 इस पूरे को एक ही मानो, x plus 1 को. X plus 1 by x plus whole square. ये हो गया 1 by x plus 1. You know integration 1 by x plus 1? Minus ये 2 अभी भी है यहाँ पे. 2 into integration of 1 over x plus 1 whole square. You know about this also. This is the form of x plus b to the power n. You know integration of all the three functions. होगा solve कि नहीं now? So let me write with the pen now. So integration of 1 is x minus integration of 2 into a1 by x plus 1 क्या होगा? 2 log of, ये तो हो गया सेकेंड फंक्शन. अब लास्ट बचा माइनस 2 इंटू इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 बाय एक्स प्लस 1 होल स्क्वायर. टेल मी व्हाट विल इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ लास्ट थिंग? minus 2, no, integration of x plus 1 to the power minus 2. तो minus 2 plus 1 तो minus 1. फाइनली हो गया minus 2 by, that's it. Tell me, plus c. Yes. So, in all the three questions, what the trick you used? Make your numerator in the form of denominator. That's the main crux. Agree, everybody? Tell me, anybody, any problems? All good? The whole objective today is like how we do x plus b form various questions easily. Yes, if you know binomial, it is more easy to expand. Otherwise, also you can do without that also. So try more question like this. Yes, anything, x3 by something, x4 by something, x square by something. Always try to write the numerator in the form of denominator. That's it. Any question, anyone till now? How will you do this question? If I say integration of, say, x to power 6. Again, I'm not going to solve it. You will tell me how you do it. That's it. X to power 6 by x minus 1 dx. Tell me. Right. We are going to do x plus 1 minus 1, or because there is a power of 6. Maharshi, how many of you know this utility also is there in binomial? Let me write in the binomial utility. If, because somebody was using, this is also very good theorem, x to the power n minus a to the power n by x minus a, it becomes very handy. Tell me it's given by what? How many of you know this? x to power n minus to power n by x minus equal to given what? X to power n minus 1. Then a into x to power n minus 2, right? This become very useful here because you get rid of the denominator. That's the main point. Plus a square it goes on. Dot 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 dot. I'm not writing full, but I'm writing okay. Dot dot dot. Final term would be what? A to the power n minus 1. Correct. If you use this, it become more simpler. Then you write, you know what we'll do? You write this, I'm only giving you a hint, you write this as so this become x to power n minus 2 by x minus a or not? It become x to power n minus 2 power n by x minus a. Obviously, you have to do this also to balance it, but I'm telling main point is this. You take this form as x to power n minus a to power n by x minus a, plus you take this separately. The question becomes x to power 6 minus 1 to the power 6 by x minus 1, which will expand in very easily, very simple form, plus 1 over x minus 1. So 1 over x minus 1 integration everybody knows. So not a headache is gone. Only problem is this. This one, you apply this. So what will become? Integration of firstly x to power n minus 1. N is 6 here. So x5. Correct? Plus a into x to power n minus 2. A anyway is 1. So no problem. X to power 4. You will be very surprised, it becomes so easy. X power 3. X to power 2, x to power 1, and then x to power 0 means 1. X square plus x plus 1. This is the expansion of this. And extra thing is this. Plus our integration of 1 over x minus. Now tell me, everybody can do very easily, right? No, you know the standard function of x to power n integration. That's it. Agree? Each one of you? And from tomorrow, we are going. It become very difficult more because we are going to do very complex function. But we are going to do x plus b and then all different combinations. Okay, guys? So, to reiterate what we started with, integration of ax plus b is very, very important. Integration of x plus b to the power n is the basis for doing all this. And you know this works like that. This is how we are going to form every question in the form of this. So a can be 1, a can be anything except 0. It becomes n plus 1. Correct, guys? This is what we started with today. By n plus 1 and a, whatever the coefficient. That is the core of this in every question. So if denominator is given, make denominator in the form so that you can split the numerator to form small fractions. That should be the point. Okay. See the constant matters. You know that in integration I explained in starting family of curves. So see the constant. Because all those family of curves will apply to the same integration so that you get a same differential function. So plus C we always write constant. Okay? Because see 5x plus 4. What is differentiation of this? Tell me what is differentiation of this, Maharshi? Differentiation is 5, right? If I give a question as differentiation of 5x plus
5.
correct. If I give differentiation of 5x plus 7, then also differentiation 5 only, right? Agree? But if I integrate 5, how will I know it is 5x plus 4 or 5x plus 7? It is all family of this curve, 5x plus 4, 5x plus 7, 5x plus 10, 5x plus 20, 5x plus 100. So instead of that, we write plus 3. Keep that constant. Because it will be same. That's why. So I want one more question before I end up, because see, I am not able to resist, because I want you to think that how integration can be done so easily. If I want to do a question like x square plus 5x plus 2 by integration, by denominator x plus 2 dx, how are you going to do it? Any ideas? You know what you should do? Your mind should say, sir, let's think about it. What is square of x plus 2? Square of x plus 2 is what? X square plus 4x
Plus 4x
plus
plus 4.
plus 4. So, because you know that, you start writing your numerator in the form of x square plus 4x plus 4. इतना तो हो गया. अब क्या बच गया एक्स्ट्रा? प्लस एक्स एक्स्ट्रा बच गया. प्लस 2 था तो माइनस 2 चाहिएगा, राइट? Agree? By x plus 2. So what we are going to do? We are going to write this as a form of x plus 2 whole square. Correct? You write this whole as x plus 2 whole square. तो क्वेश्चन क्या बन जाएगा? x plus 2 whole square by x plus 2. ये तो एकदम इजी है. x plus 2 इसमें कर जाएगा, ऊपर x plus 2 रहेगा. प्लस यहाँ पे होगा x minus 2 by x plus 2. फिर से गड़बड़ हो गया. अब क्या करने वाले जयसूर्या? ये तो इजी है. कट गया तो क्या बच गया? x plus 2. इसका इंटीग्रेशन तो बहुत इजी है. सो ये तो ये वाला बन गया. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ दिस प्लस. अब इसका क्या करेंगे? ये तो गड़बड़ है ना. तो इसको फिर से वी कैन राइट x minus 2 को x plus 2, राइट और नॉट? x plus 2 minus 4 ऐसे ले सकते हैं. ये हो गया x plus 2 by x plus 2 minus 4 by x plus 2. अब तो बहुत आसान दिख रहा है. We should also learn the art of splitting. इसका इंटीग्रेशन आई नो. x plus 2 by x plus 2 मतलब 1. इसका इंटीग्रेशन आई नो. 4 by x plus 2 integration also I know, because it's the form of x ax plus b minus 1 power 1 by x, so log of x plus 2. हो गया सॉल्व. करेक्ट? इसको you will start thinking like this. कितना इजी हो गया? We splitted the function into this, we can get the integration. Any question, anyone? You can always try to write numerator in the form of some form of denominator. That's the trick I want. So enough for today. We'll meet tomorrow. We are going to do some more difficult, more complex. Next few weeks, we are going to do more complex. Today, tomorrow, then next week also. Okay, everybody? That's all then for today. If no question, thank you everyone. I took 10 minutes more today. Bye bye.